Before the oceans formed, before the moon lit up our night skies, before even the first whisper of life, there was only darkness. From a cosmic dust cloud in the vast emptiness of space, something extraordinary began to stir. This is the beginning of everything we know, the origin of Earth, told through fire, chaos, collisions, and time. It's a tale billions of years in the making, carved into ancient rock and whispered by stardust. And today, you're watching one of the chapter of our beginning stories. Hey, this is Theos, and you are watching The Cosmological Reality, where we unravel the inner workings of the universe. In the beginning, there was nothing but dust, gas, and darkness. Then, around 4.6 billion years ago, a disturbance rippled through a vast cloud of gas and dust, a solar nebula. Gravity took hold, pulling matter inward, spinning faster, flattening it into a disk. At its center, pressure and heat ignited a newborn star, the Sun. Within this rotating disk, countless particles began to collide and stick. Over time, these tiny grains formed larger bodies, planetesimals. Through constant bombardment and merging, one of these became the early Earth. The young Earth was unrecognizable, a violent, molten sphere. The intense heat from countless impacts and radioactive decay kept its surface a seething ocean of magma. Deep within, heavy elements like iron and nickel sank to form the planet's core, while lighter materials rose to form its mantle and crust. This was the Hadean Eon, a time of fire and fury. The air was thick with toxic gases, no oceans, no oxygen, just heat and violent transformation. But Earth's evolution was far from over. Roughly 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized object, named Theia, collided with Earth. The impact was catastrophic, vaporizing vast amounts of rock and ejecting debris into orbit. From this debris, the Moon was born. It has since stabilized Earth's tilt, influencing tides and playing a crucial role in the development of life. In the aftermath, Earth's surface remained molten. Over time, the planet began to cool. A thin crust formed above the magma ocean. Volcanic activity dominated the landscape, releasing gases into the atmosphere, primarily water vapor, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. As temperatures dropped, water vapor condensed. Rain began to fall, perhaps for millions of years, filling basins and carving out the first oceans. Life-giving water now covered much of the planet's surface. The first weather systems emerged. The planet's violent infancy was beginning to calm. Evidence from ancient zircon crystals suggests that liquid water existed as early as 4.4 billion years ago, just 100 million years after Earth's formation. These tiny minerals are our oldest surviving pieces of Earth's crust, preserving whispers of our planet's early environment. In the depths of these early oceans near hydrothermal vents, life may have begun. Chemical reactions between hot mineral-rich water and the surrounding rock created the conditions for organic molecules to form. By 3.5 billion years ago, microbial life had taken hold. Simple organisms like cyanobacteria, capable of photosynthesis, began transforming sunlight into energy. These early life forms left their mark in layered structures known as stromatolites, some of which still exist today. For billions of years, Earth's atmosphere lacked oxygen. Then, around 2.4 billion years ago, photosynthetic microbes began releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This event, known as the Great Oxidation Event, transformed the planet's atmosphere and paved the way for more complex life. Oceans turned from green to blue. Iron oxidized and settled to the ocean floor, creating massive iron formations that we mine today. Over time, Earth's surface changed. Continents shifted. Oceans formed and vanished. Volcanoes erupted. Ice ages came and went. Through each transformation, Earth grew more diverse, more stable, and more alive. Today, Earth stands as a rare oasis in a vast, cold universe. Its journey, from dust to molten rock, from endless storms to blue oceans, from lifeless stone to a world teeming with life, is nothing short of extraordinary. All of it began with a single spark, a collapse of dust and gas, and unfolded over billions of years. Earth's story is one of chaos and creation, destruction and renewal, a testament to the power of time, gravity, and chance. And while we may only walk its surface for a brief moment, our origins are written in its ancient stones and stardust skies. This is the story of our world, the birth